Hey FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, after getting a lot of requests to make DIY handmade mermaid doll, today I'm finally making it. And guys, this is not Ariel doll because I've already made that on my channel, so you can go and check that out. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this thick foam sheet over here. It's very easily available in the market. You can go and buy yourself this, or you can have this lying around your house. If you order something online, you also get this. So I'll just take this and I'll take my pen and mark these lines for my mermaid doll body, and then I'll just cut it out. So once I get this, I'll just repeat the same thing and make a lot of them, and then I'll just stick on each of the sides just to make the body thick and into a 3D shape. After sticking a lot of layers on the body which I need, I'll now take my scissors and cut the edges out and make it all nice and smooth. Now you can switch to a small scissor and do the need. So once you're finally done doing that, as you can see, the edges are nice and smooth. Now I'll just give it a coating of glue. Once it's nice and dry, I'll repeat the same thing and make the hands as well. So once you apply a thick layer of glue on this foam, it will make sure that it closes all the pores so that you can easily put paint and anything you want on the body. Likewise, I'll make the face as well, just the ears and nose. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take another piece of foam sheet, I'll cut it out, and I'll just take a very small straw out of plastic and then insert that, and it will be the neck. Now I'll insert this into the body and I'll start painting this. So again, I'll just paint it completely white, and I'll just use glue for this. So now what I'll do is that I'll take my bowl and I'll put some talcum powder over here, then some glue and a little bit of water. Once it's done, I'll paint that as well onto the body. So this will make the body stiff as well as movable, as you can see. So all of the parts are nicely moving. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my scrub paper and I'll just start scrubbing it so that I get the nice smooth edges again, and then I'll start painting it with my acrylic paint. You can also use fabric paints instead, and then I'll make the eyes and the lips and all of the other things as well. Alright guys, so now I'll just paint the head as well. So I'm gonna make some golden, yellowish golden brown color hairs. So for that I'm painting that only. Then I'll put some glue over here onto the top, and then I'll sprinkle some golden fairy dust. It's basically golden glitter dust which I'll be spraying over here onto the places I want it to be. So once the top half is done, I'll just remove that, and then I'll start with the tail as well. So of course the tail is really beautiful. So for that I'm using two glitter colors. From the start I'll start applying green, then at the bottom I'll just apply some blue ones over here, and that will give me a beautiful ombre effect. Now let's make the hairs. So guys, if you wanna see how I make the hairs, you can go and check other of my doll videos for the tutorial. Now after applying the hairs, I'll cut this part from a mesh fabric and stick it on the head, and as well for the bracelets too. Then these will be some nice accessories. And guys, once this is done, tada, this is how my mermaid doll looks right now. It's very easy and simple to make, yet it's really beautiful too. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.